A typical weekend in B2 level English, reading and listening practice. A typical weekend for me usually includes at least one walk in nature. My boyfriend and I both enjoy being outdoors and are interested in natural history. This weekend, we spent some time working in the garden. There's a stream that runs through the garden, and while we were outside, we saw a small baby frog. It was hiding in the grass, but it quickly jumped away when its hiding place was disturbed. We went for a walk in the local area, which is near Whitley and Enton Ponds. The nearest large town is Guildford in Surrey. The woods were beautiful. I love the smell of pine trees and forests, and it was lovely to see some rhododendrons growing among the trees. Back at the house, I saw a beautiful shiny blue beetle on one of the plants hanging over the stream. It was an alder leaf beetle, and I really love its colour. I also managed to catch a rare glimpse of a female mandarin duck with her ducklings. There were at least 6 or 7 of them, and they were very cute. In the UK, the most common ant is the black garden ant. You often see them in summer, especially in gardens or looking for food in houses. They live in large colonies and work together to find food and protect their nest. Sometimes in late summer, you can see flying ants when they leave the nest to mate. We spotted a little woodlouse and a shiny, fast-moving millipede. There is also a friendly robin that lives near the garden. When we are gardening, it often appears to look for insects that we have disturbed. Robins are one of the most common birds in the UK, and they can become quite tame. They also have a beautiful song. We also went for a walk on Thursley National Nature Reserve, which is a great place to explore. There is a long boardwalk that takes you through the reserve. You can spot dragonflies, various bird species, and even common lizards, which are usually shy and difficult to see. When we visited, they were all enjoying the sunshine and basking in the warmth.
What are you doing? Don't mind the camera, but don't get that close.
Thank you for watching.